morning.
You come in, you make a left turn to start off with, and you go inside that box. You have the blue and the red out there. That's your U-turn point. So you're going to go in that box, make a U-turn, come out, turn left, go to the end over there, make a U-turn over there, come out, make a left over there, make a U-turn in there, and then come back out again. Make sense? I'll run it so you can see. Now, the goal is, the reason those blue cones are there is when you get into the box and you go to that blue cone, as you pass that blue cone, you're going to look over your shoulder to the green one that's off to the side. And that'll automatically go and get around and make that turn inside the box. So, if you want to climb off, and I'll stand over here and you can see I'll run through it for you. Something that big, the other bikes are a little bit easier in the slower speeds. The thing to remember this is slow speed maneuvering is harder than other things for one simple reason. A motorcycle is a gyroscope. Okay? So the faster it travels, the more stable it is. So what we're doing is we're taking the motorcycle at its most unstable point, which is slow speed, and we're forcing it to do what we want to do. So we're learning to control our bike more. Because, as I call it, your clutch, your brakes, all those other things, I call those additives. Okay? So what we're learning to do is to do the job without the additives. Another analogy I use, what we're going to start off with to get comfortable is we're going to go over, I got a 5-cone serpentine. Okay? So we'll run the serpentine, you're going to go all the way out, come back around, come back in again, and then stop. And then the next person. Don't go through until the other person comes back. So we'll turn off with the serpentines. The whole idea here is it's not a speed drill. We want to come out a little wide and then come back in. So we don't want to go around, come out a little bit, then come back in. So we want to work on bringing ourselves out, slowing down to come back and bring it around in again. Okay? So we'll start off with that. Then after we get done with that, we'll do 2 runs up, 2 runs back for everybody. Then we'll go in, and I got a U-turn box set up over there, so we're just going to do straight U-turns for a little bit, then we'll come into the exercise. Make sense? President of MATTRS. Brian's over there. He's our VP. For those of you that are familiar, we're motorcycle awareness and training for traffic and rider safety, nonprofit safety organization. Our goal is to work with anybody and everybody in the community to try to lower fatalities we have, etc. And also brush up on our skills and make it real safer for us. And also, we're going to try to make it safer for everybody by educating car drivers.
Hi, I'm Mark. I guess I'm the baby in the group. I just got my bike like a month ago, and this is my very first bike, so I want to learn as much as possible before hitting the road officially. Yeah, I'm just trying to like go around, sneak and stuff, doing practices because my MSF is scheduled on Friday. So that's it.